Ayun. So by the way, no, once again, good morning sa lahat ng mga nag-attend. Thank you so much. So what will happen, no, if darating yung 10 times worse, no, na crisis like pandemic, no? Alam naman natin ngayon, ang nangyari sa buong mundo, merong war, no? What if walang work, no movement, no government support? How you can survive, no? Yung pamilya mo in 12 months kahit hindi kayo lalabas ng bahay. Ang tanong, yung income mo ba magko-continue or magdi-disappear overnight? So dapat mag-prepare tayo guys, no? Hindi pwede wala tayong other source of income. Ang mahal na ngayon ng gasolina at saka no, talo tayo sa inflation, no? Lahat tumataas. Dapat meron tayong sources of income kahit nasa bahay lang or kahit busy ka sa work or sa business mo, merong another money machine. Tama? Yes or yes? Okay. So the problem ngayon sa market, no, single income dependency lang, no, and the inflation is very high, no, dahil sa rising cost of living, tapos stagnant pa yung mga sahod, yung salaries. Traditional corp, no, lacks innovation and sustainability. And usually mga crypto, no, laging hype, no, walang real structure and no ecosystem integration. Tsaka weak yung leadership development. And most clubs, no, yung mga napasukan natin, no, humanitarian, maganda naman 'yan, maganda yung hangarin, no, pero usually pumapasok yung mga members diyan, number one, para sa humanitarian approach, number two, para sa branding na part siya sa organization, no, and number three, the connections, no. And napakaganda kasi ang ganda ng mga connection, ang ganda ng branding, ang ganda ng intention, pero yun nga, no, walang expected na ROI. It means wala ka talagang i-expect na pera na babalik sa'yo. More on lalabas, okay? So, no structured training or mentorship din sa other company yan. And people crave for belongingness. It means naghahanap sila ng tribe, no? Kung saan sila mabibilong, no? Yun yung hinahanap ng tao na mag-i-enjoy siya, matutuwa, at the same time, kumikita ng pera. Tama? Lahat naman tayo dito gusto ng ganon. Yes or yes? Yes. Okay. So, the market is super noisy pero yung structure is very rare. Okay. So ngayon, Blaze Formula, no? Dapat pala before tayo papasok sa isang business, isang company, tingnan natin kung nandito yung 5 criteria. Alam naman natin sa school, merong fina-follow na formula before tayo mag-perfect sa exam. Tama? Yes or yes? So dito, meron din pala sa buhay, relationship, and especially sa business. So number one, tingnan natin kung yung company na yan, merong totoong use cases, no? May demand ba yan? May activity or real growth, no? Tingnan natin kung ano yung klaseng business na pinasukan nila. Money changer ba? Trading, gold, isda-isda, farming, no? Or mga produkto or services. So check natin kung gaano kaganda yung use cases nito. Number two, tingnan natin kung sino yung mga may-ari, no? Yung founders behind, no? Baka mga scammer yan, mga kriminal, no? Mapapahamak tayo, delikado. So dapat check natin yung background nito. Dapat yung mga may-ari merong solid na vision, tapos magaling mag-execute, no? And merong leadership, okay? Number three naman, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga products nila, no? Or services. Gaano kalaki yung problem na kaya nitong isolve, okay? So meron ba itong value, retention, or revenue, okay? Number four, dapat pagpapasok tayo, magiging compensated enough tayo. Kasi dapat pag nag-engage tayo ng time, money, energy dito, no? It's fair, clear and compensated enough. Okay? Number five naman, dapat nasa early momentum expansion tayo. Okay? So early momentum expansion, no? It means dapat papasok tayo na nasa timing kasi kung wala ka sa timing, useless ang lahat. Tama? So ang papasukan natin which is early stage. Ayun, especially like this one. So tingnan natin no kung nandito yung Blaze formula criterias, no? 5 criteria sa Blaze Club natin. Okay, so Blaze World, Blaze Club. Walang promises pero big chances for those who prepare. Ayo, are you in or you watching? So Blaze Club, the entrepreneurial ecosystem platform, We build, scale, lead, and expand. Building leaders, action, zeal, entrepreneurs. Yun yung meaning ng Blaze. Okay? So yung achievement natin for 2 months, no? Real results and execution. So we have already achieved, no? Blaze token, no? Congratulations sa lahat. We already achieved the all-time high, no? Of 6,200%. It means 62 times, no? And we have 923 holders. Okay. We also have the website, no? System with Blaze Club and Ecom and Bazaar. Okay. And magkakaroon tayo ng we already pre-launch, no? The Blaze social media. Okay. So members worldwide, okay? We also have the XB, no? Yung point system ecosystem natin. And the Blaze Pay, no? Ito ay we just don't launch, no? We execute. Ayun. I love Blaze. So pagpapasok ka sa Blaze, no, ano yung mabe-benefits mo? It's a community that push you to level up and magiging masaya ka dito while kumikita ng pera. Gusto mo ba yon? We focus to educate people. No, once you get educated, you will get reward from network incentives. And you will also have the opportunity na meron kang libreng digital asset. At the same time, you will enjoy the marketplace circulation and fintech and franchising expansion. Okay, it's a hybrid ecosystem model. So, napakaganda, no? Napaka-proud, no? Proudly to say, the first Pinoy Pride Filipino Founders Web3 social media, no? It's already available, no? Mada-download mo siya sa iyong phone, okay? So get the link, no? Kung sino yung nag-invite sa'yo. Every time you post, like, and share, comment, and game, you will earn an airdrop of free Blaze token. It means that is a real cash, no? Kahit wala kang babayaran, you can earn real money, no? Lahat dito, bata, teenager, no? Yung mga may edad na, no? Negosyante, walang pera, estudyante, any aspects and any levels of life, no? Pwedeng mag-join sa social media, no? Yun yung good news natin. And good news, no? Alam naman natin yung base token natin, we have the token, no, under Solana. And napakaganda nito, you can cash it out anytime, no? And the good news, no, meron na tayong roots. It means nakagamot na tayo, which is dahil sa tulong ng community and the founders prioritize the use cases, no? Use cases natin, meron na tayong social media and other websites and systems. Okay? So, we need to fertilize, no, para mas mabilis tumaas. We have this XB points system, no? So malalaman nyo yan, no? Every time you donate, no, it will generate a 0.5 to 1% in above, no? Na blessings every day, whatever you donate, okay? So ang kagandahan nito, it will push to 1 peso each of Blaze token. What if, no, bumili ka ng a million of Blaze token, yung kapital mo nasa 1,000 or 2,000 pesos or 5,000 pesos, no? How about, no, pag naging piso isa to? What if meron kang million of Blaze token, no? Capital mo 10,000 lang, magiging 1 million peso. Ganon kaganda yung ating sistema, no? Yung goal natin dito sa Blaze Club, no? Walang imposible sa cryptocurrency. Okay? Yon, no? This is the XB, no? It will generate, no, a 0.5 to 1% and above, no? A daily blessings. Every time you donate, you get to provide help and you will also get help. Okay, so exchange blessings where giving creates growth. This is a sponsor community partnership and we have a new design, no? Ito yung fina-follow natin na design. Ang napakaganda, which is the Blaze Pay. We focus on USDT liquidity provider. It means yung USDT mo, pwede mong i-cash out dito, no? Anytime, anywhere. Okay, so ang kagandahan nito, we have this already, no? We already have the space, no, sa Mangagoy Bislig City. Ayon. And magkakaroon din tayo sa any nationwide sa Philippines. Ayon. Ito na yung ating SEC registration. We are fully compliant, no, legally sa Philippines. No, meron na tayong BIR, Mayor's Permit, and Resibo. Ayon. So we are fully operational, legal talaga. Okay, walang kakatakutan. Okay, so we have this also, no? Meron na tayo mga tinakausap na partnerships, no? Na yung Blaze token mo, you can withdraw directly to your Visa card, no? Sooner enough, no? Wino-work out na natin yan, okay? So by the way, this is our corporate, no? The first is Coach Ann. She's the Chief Strategy Officer and the founder of Anesthetic Hair and Makeup, no? Network leader, consultant, and a vice president of Veronke Group of Companies. Ito yung ating mga owners, no? And next, VP Jojo, no? He's the Chief Operating Officer, no? Vice President and professional teacher. He's a professional crypto and forex trader, and he also have the 12 years management expertise, no, from the big mining companies experience, no. He's also an of the OFW, no, and network builder and management ideas expert, no. Kagandahan nito, tumutulong siya sa pag-build ng system that will scale, no. Talagang mag-i-expand tayo and grow strong with the Blaze Club family. Okay. So this is our founder, no? Mentor Grex, no? He's the founder and chairman of Blaze Club. He also have a 12 years sales experience, no? Talagang experienceado na to, and he also have always, no, most of the companies he joined, no, 8 out of the 10 companies always na nagta-top earner. And also he also have this 3 billion plus career sales, no? And the Chief Operating Officer, CEO of Veronke Group of Companies. He have the goal, no, to create and change lives 360 degrees na kayang umabot ng 100,000 katao, no? Hopefully magiging blessings to, no? He's an instrument to all of the people, no? And he want to help others and help his family also, no? And kagandahan nito, pag magiging part ka ng legacy niya, no? Sabay-sabay tayong aangat. Okay. So type naman diyan, I'm in. Ayun, I'm in. Okay, the 8 pillars of Blaze Club. Unilevel incentive, no? Structured duplication, XB system, Blaze token, Blaze innovation, Blaze Pay, Blaze Social, Blaze Shop, and Academy. Ayun, yun yung ating pillars of Blaze Club, no? Hashtag naman dyan, I love Blaze. So hybrid ecosystem model, no? Members, education, network growth, and marketplace franchise expansion. Ayun, yun yung ating sistema dito na hybrid ecosystem. So introducing, no, we have this membership levels of Blaze Club. Ayun. Sino yung mga member na dito? Type number 8, no? Pag hindi ka pa member, type number 9. Ayun, nakasunod ba tayo guys? Choose your level, build your future. Ayun. Let's level up your life. Gusto mo bang mag-level up yung buhay mo? Yes or yes na yes. Ayun. So, introducing, no, the starter level. It's a red card, no? The value of this one is 6,000 pesos, no? Or 100 Blaze credits. Plus VAT kasi legal tayo guys, no? Nagbabayad tayo ng tax, no? So, the freebies, no, inclusion, pag sumali ka sa Blaze Club, no, magle-level up yung buhay mo, plus may mga libre pa, no? Imagine, you will have the Blaze token of $5 worth, no? It means magkakaroon ka nito pag bibili mo yan ngayon, almost mga 200 plus, no? Supply of token, no? Pag umabot yan ng piso isa, you will also have the 200,000, no? Imagine, what if 10 cents, 50 cents, or piso isa, no? Ang kagandahan sa use cases natin, kaya nating umabot ng $1 sooner enough. Okay? So dito, puhunan mo 6,000, pag tumaas yung token, paldo ka. Okay? The same time, magkakaroon ka ng XB points, no? 10 XB points. It means it will generate the daily blessings, no? Yung sinabi ko kanina. The same time, Blaze Academy level up access and agent account and social media upgraded and virtual ID and the same time shopping points. 25 shopping points. Yung shopping points naman, pwede mo yang gamitin sa mga shop, no? Groceries, no? And mga check-up and etc. No? Ano yung mga services dyan or mga produkto na sa loob ng Blaze Mall natin, you can purchase. Okay? Yun yung ating starter level. Premium level naman, green card, no? Which is you will also have 50, no? Blaze token, XB 100, and Premium Academy, and agent account, and shop listing, no? It means kung meron kang products, no, pwede kang magpa-list sa Blaze Shop natin or shopping mall, no? And example, may coffee ka. Pwede mong ilagay doon, no? So makikita 'yan ng ating mga community, no? Members ng Blaze Club. Ang kagandahan nito, pag naging member ka, naging merchant ka, partner ng Blaze Club, you have the assurance of sales. Bakit? Sa ibang ibang paraan, no, example, ikaw magpapa-marketing ka, no, magbabayad ka pero wala kang sure na assurance sales, tama, no, walang assurance sales. Pero dito sa atin meron, malaki yung chances of assurance sales. Bakit? Lahat ng members natin mayroong shopping points na libre, no? Wala silang choice kundi bibili nila yan sa loob ng shopping mall, okay? And kagandahan, you will also have the 5% discount, no, sa lahat ng Blaze Shop, and the 5K shopping points maximum limit, okay? So ito naman ay 60,000 pesos, no, plus VAT, okay? Next, pag naging VIP ka, no, you will have this 600,000 Blaze pay-in, no? It means membership. So 10,000 Blaze credits yan plus VAT, no? And you will have the inclusions of 500 Blaze token, 1,000 XP points, 1,000 lifestyle points, no? It means kung may mga travel tayo like Korea, Japan, no, and any other country, all expenses paid, you have this lifestyle points, no? Libre mo na yan nakukuha. And the base pay outlet franchise. It means pwede ka na mag-put up ng outlet ng franchising. Ito, oh. So, that is the parang remittance center na you can liquidity provider of USDT. Okay? So you have also the bazaar booth access, no, for 12 months. It means every time na magbabazar, no, event yung ating company, you have the placement, no, pwede ka maglagay ng booth or cart mo dyan sa iyong business or services. Ayun. So ang kagandahan nito, you have also 3 sponsored bazaar booth, the city of your choice. And the Blaze Shop priority ads placement, shopping points 500, spending limit 50K, Blaze Shop discount 10%, and the leadership override 1%. Kagandahan nito, para kang isang stockist, no, lahat ng mga papasok ng membership sa iyo, meron kang 1%. And you will also have VIP suit and official pin. Ayun. So guys, meron din tayong elite level, 100K Blaze credits. Mas mataas yung mga freebies nito, and the royal. Ayun. So 1 million Blaze credits. Ayun. So pili na lang kayo kung saan kayo comfortable to start. Ayun. So guys, meron din tayo sooner enough, no? For membership lang only, the Blaze Club exclusive, no? Magkakaroon tayo ng members ride-on program, no? That we will build a real estate, no? Connected siya sa NFT, real world asset and digital asset combined, no? You just stake your Blaze token and you will be part of this property sooner enough, no? Soon yan, no? Hopefully anytime soon. Ayan. So just believe on the projects we have, no? Kompleto Ricardos na tayo, meron na tayong mga use cases. We will start to boost and sasabog to. Let's go! Hashtag I love Blaze naman dyan. Comment, comment, comment. I love Blaze. Ayun. Let's go, let's go. Okay, nakasunod ba guys? Comment number 8 naman dyan pag nakasunod. Ayun. Ayun. So we have also Blaze Club ways to earn, no? 8 ways to earn. It means nag-enjoy ka na magiging member, no? Na-enjoy mo na yung mga benefits. Every time you refer a friend, no? You also earn. Hindi ito pyramiding, hindi ito binary, which is there's a referral program na magi-enjoy ka talaga, no? The more you help others to earn, the more you earn. So number 1, we have the 10% direct bonus. Ayun, no? Kapag naka-invite ka ng 10,000 each, no, VIP, 5 sila, no, 5, no? You will earn a $5,000 commission. Yes or yes na yes, no? So yan, that is 300,000 pesos, no? It means kung kaya mo yang gawin weekly, monthly, no? Depende sa iyo. At talagang ganda nito kasi pwede mo tong gamitin, no? Panggastos mo. Ayun. Ganun yung kitaan dito. Malaki. So next, meron ka ding indirect, kahit hindi na ikaw nag-direct, yung mga na-invite mo, mag-i-invite din sila. You will still earn, second to fifth level pag starter ka. Premium naman, 6 to 8th level. VIP, 9 to 11, Elite, 12 to 14, and Royal, 15 to 20th level. Okay, nakasunod. Kanina guys, na-explain ko yung mga merchant partners bakit mayroong assurance sales. Kasi nga, lahat ng members natin dito sa Blaze Club, they have the allocation for free shopping points. It means use that points to shop, no? Or example, meron tayong mga kinausap na doktor, no? Once na magpa-check up ka sa doktor, no? Use your shopping points, si doc ipapalit niya sa amin sa company as cash, no? So talagang kikita, no? Sure na sure yung sales ni Doc kasi meron tayong community na may mga pera and solid yung paniniwala sa mga vision and project natin, tumutulong sa community. Ayun, guys, imagine, no? Pag nag-grocery yung 100 katao mo, example, meron ka ng 100 organization, no, members, no? Pag nag-grocery sila, no, kahit hindi mo na yan kilala, no, meron kang kita, no, sa lahat ng mga purchases, grocery or check-up nila or anything na gagawin nila sa shopping, no? Depende pa rin kung ano yung membership level mo. Pag starter ka, same pa rin kanina, premium, VIP, elite, and royal. Okay, double check nyo na lang yan, guys. Ayan. So next, we have the fast start bonus. Hit the three system, no? Kanina, 'di ba, 10% yung direct referral. Pero dito, pag na-hit mo yung another 3%, no, personal bonus weekly, no? Every week, no? Meron kang additional na 3%, no? What if ikaw hindi ka mabilis, no? Yung na-invite mo, yun yung power leader, no? It means lahat ng sales niya din, meron kang 0.5, 0.10 naman pag level 5. This is the fast start bonus, no? Weekly hit the 3 system. Ayun. So leadership bonus naman is stock style, yung na-mention ko kanina. Pag VIP ka, 1%, Elite 1.5%, Royal naman 2.5%. Ayun, sa lahat ng mga paid membership fee ng iyong organization. Ayun, next, 'di ba guys, napansin nyo, no, sa ibang company, no, tayo, no, lagi tayong gustong mag-top, no, weekly, no. Sino yung top 5, no? I-announce, no. Ano yung makukuha mo? Recognition and certificate, no. Pero what if I tell you dito sa atin sa Blaze Club, nag-top ka na, kikita ka pa ng additional. Ayun. So if ever, no, mag-top 1 ka, no, based sa income mo, example 100,000, no. So 100,000 income mo this week, you have the additional of 10%. It means magiging 110,000 pesos, no? 10% additional. Ayun, up to top 5. Oh. Gusto mo ba maging top, no? Hashtag Blaze naman dyan. Let's go. Okay, meron din tayong monthly. No? Monthly naman ay based pa rin sa percentage ng income mo. No? Pag nag-top 1 ka to top 10, no? Na-recognize ka na, sikat ka na sa community kasi nag-top ka, plus may certificate ka pa, may income ka pa na additional. San ka pa, di ba? Talagang sulit na sulit maging member ng Blaze Club. Ayun. Next, no? Pag kumita ka ng USDT base, no? It means dito makikita mo $1,000 magiging 1 star ka. Pag $5 million naman magiging 5 star ka, no? And mga rewards mo, ito yung matatanggap mo from Blaze Pin, Suit, Gold Ring, Gold Necklace, Mustang, pwede mo makuha for free, no? Gusto mo bang ng libre? Magsipag ka. Ayun. Yes na yes. So next naman, meron din tayong mga freebies, no? 6 star to 8 star, no? May mga free tayo na house and lot, no? Condominium, resort, and supercars. Ayun. Gusto mo ba mag-drive ng Lamborghini soon? Magsipag ka. Be part of Blaze Club and hatawin mo to. That's the perks of being a Blaze Club members. Ayun. So meron din tayong founders pool, no? Pang retirement income kasi gusto mo mag early retirement, no, masipag ka masyado, so bibigyan ka ng bonus benefits ng company. Pag naging 7 star ka, you have the 0.5% totally company sales, no, based sa membership, and 8 star 1.5% sa total company sales. Ayun, reserved for the highest global achievers. Ayun. So imagine guys, we just started, no? Talagang pag ikaw nauuna dito, tapos sisipagan mo pa, paldo-paldo ka dito, talagang soon, talagang grabe, no? Ang ganda ng business natin na pinasukan, guys. Lahat ng aspect sa buhay pwedeng pumasok sa atin. Ayun, city activation, international scaling, no? Pang international yung business natin, no? Pang $1 yung ating project para sa ating Blaze token, no? Talaga ang ganda ng utility natin, guys, no? Nakaka-proud, no? You are part of Pinoy Pride. Grabe, no? So membership fee allocation, no? We have incentive pool, education, no? And operation and Blaze Cares Foundation. So transparent tayo, guys, no? Alam naman natin kanina, no, na-discuss natin, no, pag nandyan yung 5 criteria, malaki yung chances of success, no? Tayo naman dito, guys, no, lahat ng bagay sa mundo walang assurance, pero the chances of winning, yun yung tinayaan natin. Tama? Yes or yes? Ayun, so Blaze formula, nakuha natin yung 5. Ayun. Ayos. So why join now? Because the early ecosystem positioning structured upgrade ladder, it's a hybrid and online offline model for multi-stream revenue system. Talagang I love Blaze naman dyan. Ayun. So ito yung ating process to success, no? From doubt, ito totoo ba to, no? Filtering stage, no? Second, mapupunta tayo sa trust, no? Building stage and the mass adaptation momentum. And magiging trending to. Ayun. Once na magiging trending, it will be generate as a money machine. Kakaching, kaching, kaching. Yan, no? Paggising mo sa umaga, kaching. Pag before ka matulog sa gabi, kaching. Oh. Grabe, no? Ang gagawin mo lang, just invite, no? People sa Zoom or sa offline natin soon, no? Kami yung mag-i-explain, ikaw yung kikita. Just be part of Blaze Club. So most people quit at doubt, winner stays consistent, no? Pag ikaw naging part dito, magko-consistent ka na maniniwala, no? Papaldo ka soon, no? Hashtag zero utang. I love Blaze. Ayun. So Blaze Club is structure before hype, infrastructure before speculation. So makita natin dito, guys, no? Yung ating system, no? So papakita ko yung system, guys. Ito yung ating website. Ayun. Meron tayong website, kompleto Ricardos na tayo, guys, no? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kompleto na tayo sa ating website. Ayun, saglit. Saan ba yung website? Ayun, ito. So, log out ko lang. Ayun. So, guys, no, you can check, no, your, sino yung mga nag-invite sa'yo, open mo lang. Open mo, pag open mo, ito yung makikita mo. You already have 37 live members, no, sa Philippines. No? Become a member, explore shop. And about become a member shop. Oh, ganun kaganda ng ating sistema, guys, oh. Tingnan niyo 'yan, no? Kompleto Ricardos na tayo, no? San ka pa? Talagang ang bait ng ating mga founders, no? Talagang focus na focus sila sa pagde-develop ng mga apps, no? Hindi mura 'to, guys, no? Ang mahal nito. Pero talagang binuhos nila yung pera, effort, time and energy para pag-develop ng mga system tsaka mga uh, apps natin. Ayun. For example, mag-member login ka dyan. No? Type ko. Demo lang natin. Oops, sorry. Ayun. Ayun. So, ito yung ating system, guys. So, ayun. Example, meron ka ding Blaze credits dito, no? Meron kang card, no? And naka-blockchain na to, guys, no? By the way, no? Web3 na to. No, you can directly connect your Phantom wallet, no? Unlink natin to. Pwede mo ding i-link ulit. Connect. No? Pili ka, Phantom or MetaMask. No? Ganun ka high-tech, no? The first club na naka Web3 blockchain, no? Grabe, nakakakilabot to. Ang ganda talaga ng mga project natin, no? Ang bait ng founders natin. Talagang binuhos yung pera, time and energy, effort, no? Para mag-develop ng system. no? Ikaw, ang gagawin mo na lang, magsusupport ka na lang and mag-i-invite, no? Ganun lang kabilis yung ating sistema dito sa Blaze. Ayun. Meron din ako papakitang isa. Saglit ha. Meron akong ha? Okay, wait. So ito yung ating news. Meron ding news, meron din shop, monitoring, mamomonitor mo yung grupo mo, pwede mong tawagan, check mo yan, sharers, leaderboards, tapos overview, yun, market, no, makita mo yung real-time price ng Blaze token. In the same time, daily rewards, no? Magkakaroon ka dito ng free Blaze points. Na example, gagawin mo rito, mag-attend ka ng Zoom. Morning login, tapos training completion, evening login, no? Makiklaim mo yan, no? Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng system na natin, guys, no? Imagine, no? Talagang papaldo-paldo tayo dito soon, no? Talagang tiyaga-tiyaga lang, guys. And tulungan natin na mag-promote ng ating system sa Blaze Club. Ayun. So dito, makikita naman natin next. Didemo ko yung ating social media. Okay. So ito yung ating social media, guys. Type number 8 naman dyan is if nakasunod tayo, guys. Para alam naman natin if nakasunod tayo dyan or nakatunganga lang. Ayun. So check natin, guys, kung nakasunod. Type number 8 if nakasunod. Let's go. Sino yung mga nandito? Ayun, yes na yes. I love Blaze. Ayun. Wait lang ha, mag-share screen ako sa phone. Stop share. Okay. Stop share. Ayaw niya mag-stop share. Nandyan pa ba? Blaze. Okay. Ayaw niya mag-stop share. Ayun. Sige lang. Ito na lang. Na makita niyo dito sa akin sa phone. Ayun. Wala na. So, share. Ayun. Ito guys, no? Ito yung ating um, ating nakikita nyo ba guys? Type naman dyan ay number 8, no? If nakasunod tayo sa ating apps. May apps ba? Ito yun, no? So tingnan nyo guys, no? Meron tayong pwede kang mag-like, post, and share dito. Tapos meron tayong alert, no? Pwede kang mag-post, video, image, text, and search, profile, no? Pwede mong ma-connect din to sa Web3, no? Meron Web3 na to. You can connect to your Phantom wallet or any Web3 wallet, no? Community, tapos dito makikita mo din challenges, reward, leaderboard, no? Circles, no? Ano yung mga circles diyan? Na makita mo dito sa Kaidabay Health Film Academy Farm, no? Every time you help yourself to get healthy, you will earn, no? Makikita din natin dito, manonood ka ng movie, may points. Academy, no? May points. And the minting process, no? Meron din tayong NFT dito. It means, no, pag ikaw, no, masipag ka, no, mag-post, no, sa ibang platform, pag ninakaw yung content mo, yung makikinabang yung ating yung influencer. Example, ninakaw ng influencer yung content mo, siya yung kikita, no? Pero dito sa atin, ikaw yung kikita. Bakit? Dahil sa minting NFT. Merong copyright, no? Yung naka-blockchain na. Ayun. So, get the link, no? Kung sino yung invite sa inyo, no? Para kumuha kayo dito ng points, no? Every time you post, like, and share, you will earn points. Dito mo yan sa rewards, no? Makikita. Ayun. So, pag gagana sa phone nyo, no? Just comment lang na I love Blaze. Ayun. So thank you so much guys, no? Ito yung ating plans, no? It's a multi-million dollar business. Ayun. It's a next unicorn, no? Na talagang mag-rise to success, no? I love Blaze naman dyan, guys. No? Nakakakilabot. No? What if? What will happen for the next 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now? Gusto mo bang mag-early retirement? Gusto mo bang maiahon sa buhay yung mga family mo? No? Kahit yung kapitbahay mo, no? Makikita mo dito, may time freedom, magiging masaya tayong lahat. Ayun. So this is the preparation for the next 10 times crisis, no? Pasok-pasok na ta, guys, no? I love Blaze naman dyan. So yun lang, no? And thank you so much. Meron tayong schedule, no? Monday to Saturday Zoom, every day, morning and evening. So guys, message yung sino yung mga na-invite sa inyo, be part of Blaze Club. So thank you so much. That's all. Ayun. Sino yung mga nandito, no? Team Shine, Amorlino, Awena, Bebs, Bernabe, Cryptoman, Infinix, no? Ma'am Bebs, Joe Sarin, Jillian, Josephine Salvacion. Thank you so much, no? So, meron pa kayong mga question, guys? You can unmute yourself or comment lang sa comment box section, no? And sasagutin natin. Type naman dyan pag may question, no? Kung walang question, ako yung magtatanong. Yes, sir. Okay. Walang mga question, guys. Gusto mo bang maging part of Blaze Club, no? Pasok na kayo, guys. Let's go. Ay, naka-record ko ba to? Wait lang. Stop na natin yung recording.